Sabi ko po naman wala na akong bibilin. Hi everyone! We are on the way sa Decembers. Nakatuktok kami. Decembers kami para lang hindi mahirapan yung taxi. Kasi we're really gonna go to Flat White. For the rest of the day, it's just shopping na naman. We're gonna go to the bar later. Yung bar. Rooftop bar tsaka yung Michelin star na food court. Ito yung tsura ng tuktok. Originally, 150 siya. Pero tinawaran ko na lang ng 120 kasi naglakad kami ng onte. Parang eskinita kasi yung sa hotel. Kaya nahihirapan yung mga taxi. Nag-grab kami kanina, tapos kinancel lang din. Kasi parang nahihirapan siya pumasok. We're here na. So stuffy. Here na yung food. Yeah, I know, right? Matapang yung coffee. King prawn. Yeah, and then Mongolian beef. So, we're gonna have parang Michelin star food trip later. Kaya, onti lang yung in-order namin here. Tsaka mostly, kape lang talaga. Yung view, parang talaga siyang neighborhood. But the interior of the cafe is so nice. Kami sa Decembers. Honestly, today, babalikan lang yung hindi nabili yesterday. May mga mura naman, but then, ewan ko ba, parang hindi siya ganun kaganda na quality ba. This is cute! So cute. Ayan, nakabili na ako. Kagabi, pumunta kami sa Platinum Night Market. I got this for 150 lang. Here, it's 250. So, I think mas mura yung Platinum Market kaysa sa Decembers. Pero, yun. Literally the same lang. I just got a blue one. Tapos, meron ding red dun. Itong color, wala na dun. Yung mga ganito, 100 na lang dun. 100 baht. Buti na lang tumingin ako dun. Pero, mahirap kasi yun hanapin. Saktong malapit lang siya sa hotel namin. Actually, bumalik ako for these. Tapos nakita ko meron siyang ganito. Yan, nag-meet up na po kami. Tapos na sila sa baba. No, ninyan! 100 na set. Top-end shorts na siya. 100 baht. And then, meron din ibang set. Ito maganda denim. 100 lang din. I'm done na sa Decembers. I'm gonna go to Prungtong kasi there's a lot na I really like. Hindi ko na nabili yung set kasi parang hindi talaga siya worth it. Pag kinonvert mo 1,000 plus siya, I don't think it's worth it. Especially na I won't really wear it that much. And the quality is okay lang. So, connected lang naman siya with the bridge. Sabi ko po naman wala na akong bibilin. I got to buy pajamas kanina from that store. 400 for 2 sets na for my dad. That's like what? 350 per set. And I like the cotton. Hello! Fast forward, nasa Siam Paragon kami. And we are at their food court. Tapos tabi-tabi kasi yung mga Michelin star. There are 3 dishes we got. Yung budget nga namin is 1,000 lang. 1,000 baht. Tapos nakabili kami 3 dishes and drinks. Yung itsura, hindi naman lahat Michelin star, but tabi-tabi lang din. And ito na sila, beef sukiyaki, gravy na noodles, and then this is crab na fried rice. Then, tigisa din kaming Thai milk tea. So yummy! Okay, start tayo dito, beef sukiyaki. May noodles siya sa baba. Oo nga eh. Tikman natin tong rice. Ay, ang sarap ng kanin, Tel. Test natin yung itong noodles. Ito yung noodles. Gravy noodles.
Ito muna.
Pero wala na sunset. Cheers! Guys, gusto kami dun sa bar. We're gonna go to Jods Fair. It's currently 7:33 p.m. Bangkok time. Here na, Jods Fair. Dapat na kami pumunta sa Rama. Pero, di ba nga parang na-burn down ata yun? So, we're here in Jods Fair, Ratchada. Oh, I love squid. Wow, this looks so yummy. The crocodile. Fried insects, 100 baht for one whole cup. Oh my god. This one naman 80. Oh, this one looks so good. Takoyaki. Let's try.
And super soft.
It's yummy. This shop has everything 100 baht. That's so cute. This is kind of cute. I don't know if I would get this. This padded pa. This one is also 100 baht. And then they have 150 baht of skirts. But almost everything is 100. Oh, I was looking at this guy. It's cute. There's way more shops beside food. Oh, more toys.
How much?
Mundeng. Oh, this one looks so cute. Mga rework. Ito na yung jumping shrimp. Bibili si Lino. And
Tumatulog ka.
oh my god. Oh my god. Ang lasa. Tapos tumatalon lang, ganon.
Gatin mo agad. Gatin mo agad.
Yummy. Sige, try natin. Go on. It's looking at me.
Kagatid mo. Pati siya na pa-jump.
Ang sarap, go niya.
Di ba nasa bibig mo na wala siyang mga lala eh.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Sarap lang.
It's yummy, it's just weird. Kasi parang nag-aano pa siya sa loob, nag-walk.
Di ba laban sila?
Labanan. Nung papatalo. And of course, roti. I got etong roti egg and banana. Thank you. Roti, egg and banana, chocolate, and then tom yum, and then may rice with egg. Yung first roti namin, hindi ganyang kaganda. So, I want to try the roti first. This is the classic lang na egg with banana. Way better than the first one we had. Same, this one. Ganda na pagkako.
I got extra like this. Iba yung pagkagawa. The first one kasi crunchy siya. Ito,
Parang chip.
both.
Chocolate.
They place chocolate and then pandan. Nahulog ka siya. So I think yung binayaran mo doon yung table, aircon, sa happen.
Oh.
Better than the first one nga. Guys, we're in Big C. Hindi na ako nakapag-film. Ang raming tao kasi. Pero ito yung nakuha ko. Siyempre yung milk tea. Tapos ito, mga nakita ko lang sa TikTok. Ito, natikman ko na to. Ito, pinatikim ng office mate ko. Super yummy. Super yummy. I got the extra long ones. 16 baht lang naman isa. Sarap. So, nasa Platinum Night Market na kami. Sinusundan namin to kung saan man siya pupunta kasi ito yung hinahanap ko. Jorts.
Pila na lang dumaan sa harapan mo.
Tapos biglaan ang mahal siya, no? Sinundan for nothing. Dito, tig 100! Stop! Charot! Right, so at this point, while I'm editing, I realized I did such a bad job of filming this day. So here are the things I saw in the Platinum Night Market with prices. I'll start off with this denim jacket. They had a bunch of different brands. This one was just the notable one. It was a Levi's cropped white jacket and it was really cute. I almost bought it. And then I found these really similar shorts and pants that I saw sa December's. So there, it was like 250, 300 each. So I noticed then if you buy 3 pieces and above, papayag sila sa tawad. And they are way cheaper than December's and Platinum for the same items. So nagtanong ako sa mga sellers doon. Some of them open 6 or 5 a.m. Tapos yung iba nagsasarado na ng 11 or 10 p.m. So if you have the time or if you're within the area, I highly suggest doon kayo mamili instead of the malls because they're way cheaper. And of course, kasi pumapayag sila sa tawad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!